G'day, I'm Kian from Street Machine and I'm here to talk about Proflow's new range of fuel pressure gauges. Naturally, these gauges are used to monitor your fuel pressure. That's really important when you're initially setting up a fuel system and when you're doing some tuning. And it can also be used for fault finding a system. If you want to set your brace fuel pressure to get a car to run, or you need to add more fuel pressure, particularly in boosted applications, or if you're getting no fuel, rather than pulling lines off and covering yourself in fuel, you just look at your gauge, and if it's at zero, you've got a problem in your fuel system. So that's why they're really important. Proflow have just revised their range with a couple of new features. Firstly, all of them feature a 40mm face. You can have them in either black or white. You'll notice this one is liquid filled. You can choose either that older school option or a dry one if that's your preference. They all come with 1/8 NPT fittings and they're all in that nice black finish for the housing for a nice sleek look. Along with the colours, there are two main dials to choose from. One goes from 0 to 15 and the other one goes all the way to 100 pound if you're running a lot of fuel pressure. They're compatible with all pump fuels, including E85, and every single one of these gauges is pressure tested in the factory before they chuck it in the box and send it to you, so you know it works the moment you get it out. So to check out the full range and grab one, simply head to proflow.com.au.